making magic wands, our very own magic wands.
My name is Kingston, and I'm making wands with Salvador and Claire. So we started with the paper towel tube.
I'm making a very thick wand. I'm making my wand a little thinner. We're making stars to put on top of our wands. Pinkalicious and Peterific were decorating the halls with stars, so we decided to make stars. Stars are like a human because there's 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You made a star. We're using stuff from the recycling bin.
I looked at the milk carton, and then I used the cap to do this.
I made each point a different color, then I put a feather on each corner that matches green, blue, purple, yellow, and red. I put ribbon so it looked like a shooting star. Whee!
These flowers came from outside, from nature.
Kingston and Claire put little beads inside of their wands. There goes the tape. So every time they shake it, it makes a little shaking sound. This is Starific!
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peterific games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.